7 months. Couldn't get used to that. Whoever tried to stop us from eating, that's who we shooting at. We don't eat, nobody eat. We making it hot. Was beefing with dudes that was old enough to be our pops. We was young like Bobby Smurda and they was whole age. Had them saying these little niggas ain't playing no games. Let's cross that line. I'm with it. Smack a nigga little sister. Go tell your brother I did it. Been in 100 shootouts. Homie, I made it. First time I hit a nigga. Felt like I graduated. He was so proud of me. All night we celebrated. I was in high school. That's when Craig Mack was overrated. Couldn't finish school. Too much beef. Never graduated. Shooting out my window at niggas. Grammar was aggravated. Everything I spit real. Ain't nothing fabricated. Spitting in the Fed's face. Know I'm being investigated.
Yo, what's shaking, good fellas? We out here across the street from the edge, looking dritty. So to my guy J Money, my guy Free, Cinematic Free. We about to go to the shooting range because everybody tough guys. So we gonna show y'all what happens when you run into people who train to use firearms. Oh no, I'm a little high. I just hit the pin. And I had some prawns with cheese. Those were different. Those were different. Prawns, yeah. What are they, prawns or pawns?
Yeah, like in the movie, though. Remember?
What are they?
Prawn.
Prawn. Did I say that?
But you remember the movie?
What movie?
The alien shit.
I don't know what J Money talking about. But yeah, man, we going to the gun range. It's gonna be lit. Last night was a movie. Let's do some vlogging today. Recording live from the other side of your mama house. And my eyes are just searching for a new friend of mine. I don't know where she at. I feel like she's cheating on me. Can she cheat on me?
Probably. No, it's not cheating.
It's not cheating, right? I feel like she in another nigga bed though. It's a fact though. But I love her. I want another one. Battle Mouse shooting range, you heard? We about to go bust some shots, you heard? I think it's fucking up my YouTube video.
What's up?
J Money is high.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna pop some pistols.
How long? Are you gonna take us back? Yeah. How long you come back? We gonna be here for how long you think?
I don't know, this dude is really killing the vibe of my video though.
Hour. Like an hour?
I mean, how long does it take to shoot 12?
Okay.
I mean, how long does it take to shoot 36 rounds? According to the price that I took, it was a little bit intense, you heard? But yeah, we just wanted to get some, you know, get some shots in, you heard? 'Cause we hood college guys, you know, from the hood. And instead of putting it into a jerk off, we'd rather put it into some paper. Yeah. So we at the Battle Mouse. And we about to get it popping. They think they can shoot better than me, but they can't. All right, we at the Battle Mouse. This is happening. These are my friends, they high. These niggas, oh no they not, nope. They are not high. We at a shooting range, they are not high.
I'm recording you shoot.
Oh, you ain't shooting? Don't feel like it? What about you, Free? You shooting, Free?
Yeah. We got 10 fucking bullets.
I guess we don't have to make it an all-day appearance. I kind of just want to bust a gun, so I ain't gonna hold you. I'm about to do 38 with 10 bullets, and we can spend. We don't know what we doing. J Money high and scared. Free think you back in Brick City. I don't know why I'm here.
Why are you here?
I just want to shoot some guns. I thought it would be fun. What are we doing? We don't know.
But you get it. Like we all gonna get together.
I think I'm gonna go with a 38. This nigga is high as hell. This is crazy. Yeah, alright. About to shoot some hammers, you heard? Thank you. It's on. All I smell is gunpowder. Alright, what's the bet though? What's the bet?
Ain't no bet.
Why there ain't no bets, huh? They don't want to bet your boy. Why y'all want to bet your boy? J Money, what's the bet? J Money say he would whatever. All right, let's put these headphones on now. That boy out.
Outside, outside.
This nigga can't shoot for shit. How that feel, sir? Feel better? Oh, you got 3 out of 6? Oh man. Damn, J Money, that's crazy. That's crazy, son. Damn, J Money.
Nice grouping too.
That's ugly, son. What the hell is that?
Good fella special.
Yeah, put it up against the red on your shirt. Yeah. Yeah.
Bullet holes in
That's disgustingly ugly, good fella. That's not even. That's crazy, son. What the real guy and the real guy?
Reload.
All right, lit. Bring my John, son. What up, son? See the bullseye? See the bullseye? That's Guapo. Bullseye. Bullseye. Heard? Bullseye. Let me see what you got, Free. You ain't getting no bullseye. I know, killed them, built them with the Lugas and the Rugas from their Desi. Nigga still high. No, Free. Yeah. Alright, that was out, Free. That was alright, Free. That was alright. Not bad. Alright, that was fun. Alright, that was fun. We spin.
That's the big special shit, right?
Alright, we just left the shooting range. I hit the bulls out, of course. Knew I would. So I won the bet. First 3 chicas on free. I'm gonna handle those quick though. How you go? Good looking.
Some chicas here in Thailand, my friend.
There is no chicas in Thailand. What do we call them? Bar girls? What's the verbiage for the Johns in Thailand?
Figure out a term. Because they call it like they call it. They say boom, boom, boom. That's what they
Boom
call
Boom
it.
Girls.
Yeah.
That was a
honey,
big.
the honey boom booms, or the honeys, honey pot. The honey pot.
Boom Boom Girls, you heard?
How many honeys did y'all have already? I don't know. We'll figure it out.
That's why I just use John's. It works everywhere. It's universal. Bucket
We'll come on that'll stick and we'll know it. Like that's the one. Yeah, the honey pot is what they got.
I'm gonna holler at y'all good fellas later. Facto.